Right guys, I bought an adapter for my JetWash because this battery is gutless, it's 2 amp. So what I wanted to do is use my Malwakee battery, so that will fit there with the adapter. So I bought it quite a while back and I haven't opened the box and tried it, so I'm going to do that today. And I'm hoping it's working because this is a WORX adapter. Sorry, I'm just going to demolish this quickly. Right. So this is a WORX adapter that fits on a Malwakee battery and the device itself. So comes in a bubble wrap like that. There's DM18 WORX. So that's WORX JetWash. Sorry, let me just put this to one side. So that clips. Oh dear, sorry, which way is it? That goes there. And that goes there. And then let's see the moment of truth. Oh yes, it's working! Wow! Now I've got a few of these, 4 amp and 5 amps. This is gutless, and these are very expensive to buy. These are like 30-40 quid, and this cost me like 12 quid from Amazon, and I got loads of these. These are very expensive. This is an original genuine battery, so I'm really pleased. Now I could wash my car and do other bits and pieces, so it's a good buy, you know, good purchase. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I did look on YouTube and I couldn't find any other videos relating to this. So it's a WORX, basically adapter, DM18 WORX converter to a Malwakee battery.